In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the issue of Instagram Live not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your Instagram and navigate to your profile page. Check if you have at least 1000 followers, as Instagram now requires this to go live. If you had access to live before and no longer see the option, it could be due to this policy change. Next, go to your account settings. Now scroll all the way down, navigate to the option account status. If there are any restrictions, you won't be able to go live. Make sure everything is clear. If everything looks good, try closing the app and updating it. Launch your app store, search for the app. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, what you can do is report a problem. For that, launch your Instagram, go to settings and privacy page, scroll all the way down, click on help, click on report a problem. Click on the option report without shaking, click on done include. Now here, briefly explain about the issue that live feature is missing in your Instagram account and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your life should work. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.